So the balancer has to be off, and at least the two front oil pan bolts have to be out because they actually run up through the cover. So you can do this with the cover on and the motor still in the vehicle, obviously. Most cam swaps seem to be done that way. But the front two oil pan bolts have to be out. Two, I think. Yes, two. So there's the oil pump and the timing chain. Got a little slack, but yeah, it's pretty slacky. So we'll replace it because why not? Get the cover and the dampener off. If I'm doing a cam, might as well do the timing chain. It's got to come off anyway. Old pump, I kind of feel the same way. 120,000 supposedly on this one, so oil pump's getting replaced. Oil pump, timing chain, cam. That's about it. That's all we're gonna do unless we find something else. Alright, so what we'll do here is run this bolt back in so we got something to turn the motor over with. Line up these dots on the timing set. Probably just gonna break loose all these spark plugs too. Our dots there. It's like a small block Chevy. You got one dot on the cam gear and then a corresponding dot on the crank gear. So that's that. Alright, so now we'll take this cam retainer plate off. may get a new plate here, which has the seal on it. As you can see, it has some little buildup on it. And this seal here is, if it's bad, then you lose oil pressure. You have no oil pressure if this seal goes bad. So that looks like something we're going to replace. Yeah. All right, we're back. So what you want to do is after your rockers are off, your push rods are out, then you can pull the front cover, and you want to spin your cam after you get this retainer plate off. Spin it 2, 3, 4 full rotations. It'll push the lifters up into the trays, and then you can insert these 1/4-inch dowel rods. I got a 4-foot section, cut it in half, so these are 2-foot sections. And you can slide them in, and you'll feel that they just fit in. So there you go. And then I got a longer bolt here, so I can slowly and carefully get the cam out with a little more leverage. Bam! Cam extract. So the other cam's supposed to be here tomorrow. I'm going to continue to clean this up, mask it off. I'll spray the outside of the block here, just black again. And then I'll keep the heads taped off so they're raw. And that's that. Just keep cleaning on it today, and I'll show you guys the finished product as it sits, just cleaned up and painted, next time we come back. So I'll see you then.